Whether you're just beginning to explore your family history or you've been researching for many years, the Foundation would be delighted to help you uncover more about your ancestors. We have been carrying out in-depth family history research for almost 70 years, and our experienced team spends much of their time working directly in archives such as the Public Record Office of Northern Ireland. This hands-on archival research allows us to access records that simply aren't available online, opening up new possibilities for discoveries that can't be made from home. Our Family History Research Service is designed to be flexible, so it can be tailored to your individual needs. You might want us to start with your parents or grandparents and trace multiple lines further back in time. Or you may already have carried out research and would like us to focus on specific ancestors, locations, or records held in the archives. Either way, we'll work with you to decide the best approach. When commissioning a report, you choose the number of research hours you'd like us to carry out. These hours are spent locating, examining and analysing original documents such as civil records, church registers, wills, land records and other archival sources. The more hours you choose, the more in-depth the research can be, allowing us to explore additional family lines, time periods or complex questions within your family history. Once the research is complete, you'll receive a detailed interpretive report written by one of our professional researchers. This report explains what records were examined, what was discovered, and how each finding relates to your ancestors, placing them clearly within their historical and family context. You'll also receive copies of all relevant records uncovered during the research so you can see the original sources for yourself. This service is particularly valuable if you're looking to go beyond online family trees, break through research brick walls, or gain a deeper, more reliable understanding of your family story using original archival evidence.